at least, wait. Oh, hey guys. Oops. We're here today with Maka. Oops, jetzt höre ich mich. Now I hear myself. Alright, so we're here today with Maka and Alex, but Alex can't talk because he forgot his headphones. So, yeah. I guess I should switch to my Windows screen. So what we'll do today is we will talk a bit about, you know, as always, the in-engine stuff and the development stuff. And then the main focus today will be on playing the actual game. We have packaged a new version of the game today, and I would like to show you what what has been integrated so far, and just, you know, play a few rounds. We're not many in the server, so it's just going to be like a show off, not really like a game to play. But I'm just going to switch over to the. Can you hear me good, by the way? Is it? Wait, going to check on Twitch. Give me a second. I think last time I had only mono at first, and oh, Reven! Woo! What's up? Okay, I just opened Twitch, so I see the comments. Alright, let me just switch over to Windows on OBS. Oh, can you hear, wait, can you hear Maka and Alex? You can't hear Alex, but can you hear Maka, guys? I don't know. I think they should. Okay. Then just give me a second. Oops, I'm getting rocket jumped on the other screen. No, you just killed me. No, didn't you just kill me?
Nothing but lies.
Big lies. Alright, I see here why. Alright. Now you should hear Maka. Test.
Hello, everyone.
Maka hype. Look, you have
Hear me
hype.
now.
Okay, I'll switch over to.
Wait, I should mute the Twitch stream though.
Alright.
I'm really loud though compared to you.
Oops, wait. Why is it?
But I muted the stream now again.
I don't know if people see the moving screen, or I think they just see a picture. You guys
They see a picture of you, yes.
Okay, wait. Let's.
Let me kill Alex.
I'll switch to. Oh no, wait. Yeah, this is strange. Because options works. Oh no, now this. Wait, now they see it, right? Huh. That's funny. Oh, look at this menu.
Oh shit.
Wait, I have to. What did I want to do?
Yeah, that's
yeah.
a nice menu.
Yeah, nice menu. No, full screen, right? Alright, like this.
Oh, I don't know what to. Oh god.
Alright, now you see me.
Should have
Now
played
now
this more.
I think
preparation.
now people see it moving, right? You guys see it moving? Alright, so
yeah,
you
they
see it
can see.
moving. Nice. So yeah, as I said, this is not in-engine, so it's really like the actual game. And there's Alex and there's Maka, and we're just playing three people in here. So yeah, so basically today's stream is about just showing you the current progress on everything, and you know, the whole package and how it actually looks. Yeah, how the game actually looks today. and also yeah, about the next alpha weekend and stuff, and how things will work and look and be, and you know, whatever. So what do you guys want to see? We're in here in the map. I think you know the map already, kind of. So I'm just going to walk around a bit at first and show you stuff. By the way, in the upper left corner, you see the mugshot. It's still pretty ugly, but it's already implemented. So you know, if you press play, then you're getting your own mugshot, and we will of course like make the camera movement better in the top left corner, so that there's, you know, like a fuller picture of the character, not him looking down or something. What else is new? Then we've improved. Look at this. If you actually, like, what I'm doing now is just pressing a button to, you know, call that function, but it's basically like a shattering screen. When there's like a near explosion, then yeah, you will have that shattering screen, and it will be a bit weaker, but it won't be it won't be like as, you know, as strong as it is now.
Don't think I have the same lightning as here.
Look, and here's the new hit numbers that you can see. Makes it a lot better, in my opinion. And look, top right, you see the
There we go.
that I shot RV Maka. So
Yeah, well, I was fixing my settings.
yeah,
of
yeah,
course.
yeah, sure. I just owned you.
Oh, bunny joined.
Nice. So basically everything that you're seeing here is, as I said before, it's the package game, it's finished, so you can play it, and it will all be in the next alpha version. The reason why we're not pushing it out today or something, or the next days, is that we want to fix a few bugs, nothing like major, but to make it more, you know, more fluent for you guys. And also what I'm working on is to make it, oh, he's dying. Did you just see that? There was actually an icon when he was dead, and I could, you know, have gone there and revived him. Never mind. So I'm working on the performance improvement of the map. It's already quite performant. I can check the FPS. One moment. So I'm at 123, and it's the highest settings with anti-aliasing on max. Everything maxed out, and it's going to min of like 87. So anyway, I'm going to optimize it a bit. We're going to optimize it a bit, and it's going to be hopefully about like 100. Like on my PC, 100, maybe, I don't know, 200 max maybe, and lowest 120, 130. But you will definitely notice a big performance increase to Woodpecker's Valley. So, oh, there's people joining. Nice. So from the map perspective, there's a lot of new things. Basically, it's all new. I mean, look at this. It's not finished at all. So this is kind of like the base structure of the map. We'll make it a lot prettier, and there will be, you know, flower pots everywhere with nice colors and flowers and different details, but they will be placed later. Wait, let me just look at the Twitch chat. Do you guys have any questions? Do you guys want to see anything?
Yeah, maybe I
specific?
should keep an eye on the Twitch chat.
Yeah, could be cool.
What
Thanks.
program do you use to model?
To model, so I personally don't model, but Romain uses I think Maya, which is pretty much the standard kind of in the industry, and yeah, and then of course he uses ZBrush for sculpting, so for all the high poly stuff, like details and stuff, he uses ZBrush. Why don't you put calls over the stairs to not have them be stutter fast? What do you mean by that, Crispy? Oh, that's a nice name, by the way, Crispy. You know, we always have to joke with Chris and the team because of Crispy Chicken, so Crispy Chicken. Going to send a meme in here. Oh, you mean the stuttering of these stairs? Those white stairs are only placeholders, so the collision is not finished. But the how it will actually be is like on this stair. Look, see this? Yeah. So basically, if those stairs are placed everywhere in the map, then you'll have like a smooth going up and down on the stairs, and not this like stuttery look. Have you seen the people bringing back BFH? Does that affect you? Okay. Well, Yeah, I mean, people bring back BFH. I don't know, people, Maka, but I don't think so.
No comment
I
on that.
mean, it's an old game. It's running on an engine that's like Stone Age, so I don't think there's not possibilities like per se. Even if they would have the engine, there wouldn't be many possibilities to, you know, bring in new stuff that would be cool and adequate to the current time. And they don't have the engine, so I mean, what should they do? They can basically not do anything with it. They can't implement new stuff. They can just use the existing stuff. So I don't think on a long-term basis that it's really interesting for people. Maybe as a short flashback, but yeah. Is it only mods? Yeah, sort of. Yeah. I'm just walking around here.
With everyone. Oh, I found you. Well, I'm just screen cheating.
But BFR runs in 2K. Oh yeah, well that's true. But it's, as I said, it's Stone Age engine, and we're trying to optimize this a lot. So in this patch, I didn't include. It's called HLOD. I will show you later in the engine how kind of like a rough estimation on how it works and stuff. But we're going to implement those, and it's going to bring a huge performance increase. So basically, what it does is, in word terms, it kind of reduces the amount of meshes and the amount of draw codes that you need to call for in the map. So you kind of merge meshes into one big mesh on the distance, and that makes it a lot more performant. And also, yeah, as Maka always says, you know, make it work, make it fast, make it pretty. So we're currently making it work, and then oh, he killed me. And then we're also going to make it pretty at last, but the performance is currently like a big thing, yeah. And also we're working on bringing, you know, better collision. So oh, come on. Oh no, he's taking the shield, come on. By the way, now you can see the shield in actual action. Look. So it's a new shield. You can, if you look up, you will see it goes up. And you have different colored hit numbers. So blue is for the shield, white is normal, like an enemy, red is if the enemy is low. And we have orange for spawn zones if you shoot at spawn zones. No, sorry, on flags. No, it's purple, I think. It's purple, not orange. Names are too big. Will they resize if your teammate is further away? Good question. Wait, let me check. No. But we could, you know, make it that they're like getting a little smaller with distance. Yeah, maybe. Ooh. No. Oops. The crosshairs will be the same or they will be changed. So, I mean, those will maybe. So what you can do in the options actually is you can change your crosshairs one by one, or you can also change the whole pack of crosshairs. So you can basically, we can do different contests or, you know, different kind of style packs, and you can, just put them there and change them. Is this the new no, it's not the as 50 already said, it's not the new player model, it's the old one.
Are they still laying around somewhere?
Good question. I think I removed everybody. Like, I placed a few models around the map for, you know, size comparison of the assets to actual humans, but I think I removed all those.
Yeah.
The ragdolls, how they look now. Yeah, I can show you.
You
I
wanna
can
die?
make suicide. Yeah, I can make suicide. Look, did you see that? But for the ragdolls, we actually have a dying animation, and with the new characters, so we can decide if we want the dying animation or ragdolls. You can decide if you guys want. What do you want to see? For the crosshairs again, so I mean the base, we will kind of keep those that are actually now in the game, but we will add new, so you can decide about the crosshair. You can choose the one you like, as I said. And also we're going to make the borders, like the black borders around the crosshair, bigger, so you can see it better and you can aim better, because currently they're a bit small and doesn't really look good to me. That booty shake, Lamau. Will you guys do some promotions for the game? Yeah, sure. Yeah, we have also talked to a few of our partners, and they will also do marketing for us when on launch. So yeah, definitely, and also other like marketing stuff like Facebook and ads. I mean, for now, it's really just a QA session, so ask anything you want. The most important, as I said, is that to me and to us, is that we show you the current game and we show you how playable it is, and this is the current game, so yeah, that was the most important to us. And then what else will I show you later? As I said, as always, I'm going to go on the engine and show you this.
Oh, shit.
Oh, did you see that, guys? But yeah, we're going to go on the engine and oh, here's the dead guy laying around. We're going to go on the engine, and I'm going to show you the performance stuff and the HLODs and roughly, you know, how it works and how much performance increase it will bring and that kind of stuff later. Is there guns like in BFH where you have different range and fire speed? Yes, there are. We have, so the weapon system works this way. We basically have the standard weapons. Those are, you know, in each class you have. So for example, the spotter has an SMG, has a shotgun, I think, and a pistol and a grenade. So the grenade you have to play in order to get that grenade. But all the other three you will have the standard weapon, and what you can do is you can buy with in-game currency later if you play and you unlock that in-game currency. You can actually buy they're called normal weapons, so they're kind of like one step higher than the standard weapons, and you can kind of buy those. And we have 3 ranges, so we have short range, mid range, and long range, and you can buy those with in-game currency. And then also we have also special weapons, which are kind of like, you know, they have the same stats, but they're just, I don't know, they can look differently, they can be more modern, they can be more old, whatever, they can be just a different model. So, but all the stats are basically, you know, standard and normal weapons, and then mid-range, short range, and long range. At Polo Magic, no, it's not too early. Yeah, we're definitely going to push that. I mean, we just have to see how that evolves, you know. And in the end, it's the community who decides if it's, you know, competitive or not. But we definitely want that, and we push it if you guys want that. And yeah, that was one question. Can you change teams and classes mid-game? No, of course not. That would be, I mean, maybe we can make a fun mode or something where you can do that, where there's no stats, just, you know, for functionability, but in the game it wouldn't make sense. And that would also be unfair and stuff. Will we be able to buy Sir Fluffington with the in-game currency? No. Because firstly, it's a really rare item, and we only sold it to the early supporters on the donation page, and I don't know if we sold it on Kickstarter, I'm not sure anymore, but yeah, so no, you can't buy that with in-game currency. How come that it isn't infinity ammo? Want it more realistic, but keep it cartoon look? No, so the reason for that is that we wanted to make a limitation on the ammo so that you have to be, how's that called? Like you have to use the ammo wisely, you know, so that it's getting more competitive and more team oriented, and that not everybody can just run around and shoot for their own, so that, you know, one class is dependent on the other class. So that's kind of the reason for that. Will this game stay mobile mobile exclusive, also come out on desktop? It is desktop, it's not mobile. I'm playing this on Windows right now, so will there be a map in post-launch similar to Island Invasion D-Day style? We don't know. I mean, we can do that, sure. People want that. I mean, there can be all sorts of maps. I mean, there can be D-Day, there can be Japan, there can be Normandy. I mean, like this is Italy, and then you can have everything you want. Also, we implemented what is not in here, but I can show it to you in the engine right away in a few minutes. When you activate talent icons, oh, I'll just level up. When you activate talents or switch weapons, then you kind of have that icon popping up so that you see, you know, when you don't actually look at it, just from the side, so you can focus on the screen and you will notice that you've activated that certain icon or weapon. Any update on the dev community stream? You mean the stream what Chris talked about, the map development stream that we develop a map together with you, Merle? And also the other question, oh lol, I thought this is a mobile game, judging by the looks, oh come on. Just because it's cartoon doesn't mean it has to be mobile. Also, just the form factor, how would you want to play this on a mobile device? Maybe a tablet, but you can play this on a smartphone.
No.
Oh yeah, Merle. You meant that stream. Okay, so yeah, I mean, what news on that? I think Chris wanted to do that this week or next week, so he wanted to announce it and make a stream, the first stream then, and so we discussed that Chris would do that, so he would build. Now you're fixing. Yeah, so he is going to build the map with you guys together, and yes, there's news. So yeah, he's going to do that, and it's going to start soon. Why is Alex quiet? He's quiet because he has no headphones. Can you show how it looks like when you get blast in a wall? Yeah, Maka, can you quickly come here? Where are you? Where are you?
In the river. I'm gonna try to get out. Give me a second.
I just read about the level pop-up. Yeah, it can be annoying, but I mean, come on, it's not really happening a lot. So you're going to, in the first stages of the game, you're like, you know, when you're low level, you're going to level up often, maybe, you know, like a few times, but later it's going to be once in, I don't know how many hours. So I don't think it's really annoying.
I'm on the bridge on the far right of the map. I need some ammo.
Coming over.
I'm at the flag now.
There's somebody asking about the sniper class, Geosnik. Yes, there is a sniper class already, actually. So I can show you in the engine, maybe. I'm not sure if we have it set up for, you know, showing, but so there will be 4 classes, just to repeat it again. We have this one. I'm playing the spotter right now. Then we have the tank, which is playing also Maka right now. I don't know where he is. I'm going to search him. And then we have the thief, which is kind of like the, you know, tactile, sneaky class, which is really fast and you know, agile. And then we have the sniper, as you requested.
Where are you?
Where are you?
I told you I'm on the bridge in the far right side. Back.
Oh yeah, there.
I think I found you now.
And the sniper class is going to have, yeah, obviously sniper and stuff, but then also pretty cool talents. I can talk later about that, maybe, if you remind me again. So, you wanted to see if I blast people against the wall. Can you please go here, maybe? Okay. Let's try. Barney's freaking around here, and Ash. Okay. Whoa. Yeah, this is how it looks. Really fabulous, right? What happened? Did you lose health, Maka?
No.
Okay. So, I think
I'm
it has
supposed
to
you can try again.
Did you?
Nope.
Okay, I think, I mean, I don't know, I think it can happen that you lose health, but I think it has to be a really strong blast, so. Will the mountains look the same or will they be changed? Do you mean these stones or do you mean these mountains? So, because if you mean the hills up there, it's all going to be meshes, so that's not finished at all. It's just a rough block out of, you know, the form. Thank God. But do you mean those up there, or do you mean the ones on the bottom? Also, is your game muted or aren't there? Oh, there are sounds. But actually, I would have muted it anyways. But when I packaged the game, then I think I made like a setting that, I don't know, there was no audio device, so now that's why there's no sound for me and the others. But there are sounds, also shooting sound and stuff.
You can just go to the settings and set the...
Oh yeah, I can also
stuff
show you
one
the
sound.
here.
I
There's
don't-
ambient volume, sound effects, music, skill effect, player, weapon, and like a master volume. And there was something I wanted to say. Oh, there was a question, right? Will there be cars, tanks, and planes? Yes, there will be vehicles. We're currently actually thinking about how we're generally like technically implementing them, but we have to see when it will happen. It will either be really quickly, it can happen that we have something set up, or oh, I'm burning, or it will take a while, but nothing in between, probably. How's the progress on the World War II cosmetic sets? It's great. I think last time we showed you the tank outfit. There's another one, like it was the resident tank outfit. Currently we work on the wicked tank outfit, and then there's going to be a lot of smaller items, backpack stuff, and but yeah, it's good. I can maybe even import it in the engine and show you when I'm switching over to the engine. Last week you said 2 weeks, next alpha week. I expect next week. Yes, you can expect it probably. I don't want to set a certain date if there's something, like a major bug or something, but you can expect it pretty soon. I mean, you see it's kind of playable here, and you can also do all sorts of stuff. I would just like to fix a few things, or we would just like to fix a few things, and then we can push it. Are these the new player models? No. I mean, no. Look at those. Just look at those. No. The new player models, they will not only be like new models, but they will also have a completely new backend programming for animation. So that what it means in terms of features is that, for example, you see me turning here, and in the new characters, you kind of see how the weapon moves. I can show you in the engine, right? You kind of see how the upper body moves independently from the lower body, so that he moves right and left with the weapon and up and down, and also he will have like the tippling animation when he's turning. There's a lot more as well. The weapon switching will be instantly, so we don't have limitations on that anymore in the new programming. Like how it's programmed. So you can basically instantly switch your weapons, and you can also instantly shoot. All just thanks to the new characters. And of course the improved looks will come, and of course all the new outfits and improved outfits. So there's going to be a lot of stuff. That's also why it takes so long, because it's so much connected to those characters. It's not only it was the backend programming, it was the animations and the characters and the outfits and all that sort of stuff. And then even just if all that is finished, you can actually push the characters. Will there be weapon upgrades? No. No, I mean, what do you mean by upgrades? I mean, there's different weapons which have different stats, but there will not be any, and there will also not be any, buyable features or something that will make it better in game or something. Can we make a mode where we fight against the old models using new ones? It's a cool idea. We could think of it. Yeah. Will there be anti-cheat? Yeah, sure. I mean, we will use Battle Eye. You probably know it from PUBG, from Players Unknown Battlegrounds. Will there be skins? Yes. Skins for weapons, and you will also have skins for vehicles. So your Jeep can have like a nice little heart on the right side. If you enter the Jeep, and then there will be a skin, and same for weapons. If you equip the weapon, you will have that skin. Shit, no aimbotting.
No. Sorry.
Yep, no aimbotting. Rip punk best, sure, best. Okay, I think we've done enough showing in game, right? We can maybe switch over to the engine. I can show you a few last things. All right. So it's pretty funny now. You can see kind of like the game, and then I just switched over, and it's kind of the same map here, but it's flying around in it. So, oops, yeah. Where should I begin? New player models, maybe? I can quickly show you what I meant with all the animation features, and then we can go over to the performance stuff. I'll quickly switch over, because there's a variable here that I have to change. Default developer variable, new character. I have to recompile. So it's going to take a few seconds. I hope my engine didn't crash, because it has that little loading thing. Oh no, it's compiled. Just takes a while. Okay, so let us jump in the game. Also, here's the new run start screen, which is made by Alex and Johannes. So made by Alex and implemented by Johannes, which is really pretty in my opinion. So you see here, the character doesn't have any animations, but I'll quickly switch over to Spotter while we have the animations finished already. Alright, compile. This one is really quickly compiled. Not saving. Alright, let's jump in the game. So I'm going to walk around with the Spotter now. Oops, gotta turn up the performance settings. Everything maxed out. Temporal. It's if you play the game, actually, just a little tip from my side, use the temporal AA if you have the hardware for it to do it, because it's the other one is just it's not good. But we wanted to give both options because the FXAA is really performant, like more performant. So new character. This is not the final animation, but it's so you can. Oh my god! Internal source code leaked. Kappa. So about the animation features. So I'm going to look like this. Do you see this? So what I can do is I can really have that aim offset of the whole weapon, where I'm moving my upper body independently from the legs, and it looks more natural, looks better. So this is the new character. And what you can do if you look, if you go forward, you can't do it on the obviously you can't do right left switching because you wanna aim. So, but if you walk right and left, you can. So you can. And yeah, then also the weapon switching. Well, I could show it to you, but I don't have a second weapon equipped with animation, so I can't. But it's, as you can see, it's really quickly. I can kind of instantly, shoot. So the switching is really fast. Let me check if there are any questions. Is the game going to cost anything when it comes out? Yeah, no, it's going to be free to play, and you can there is microtrans. So what you can buy is you can buy outfits, and you can buy weapon skins, and you can buy vehicle skins and that stuff, that kind of stuff. By the way, guys, is the stream quality actually decent? Because on my screen, on my second screen, I see the stream and it's totally bad quality. But it could also be because I'm streaming and looking at the stream, so I'm not sure about that. Okay, Merle knows. He asked about the Bitcoin price and if I cried. No, I didn't. But I think it's going to be up again.
What happened with Bitcoin?
I think in 48 hours it dropped by 1,000 euros, so that's even like $1,500 or something.
Oh yeah, it's at 5,400 now.
But no, well,
time to invest.
Actually, I'm happy because you can also invest. When it's falling, you can invest, and you will know that it rises again, and then you can sell. So, no. But yeah,
No.
I think we shouldn't talk about Bitcoin here.
Yeah.
Thanks for the question, Merle. Could you show us the wiki character? Sure. I'll do it after I finished all that kind of stuff here. So, yeah. Screen shaking looks like a, what's it called? Earthquake? Yeah. The final, I'm Jin Q wants to see the final boss. Yeah, it will appear and like be Godzilla up here in the hills when you wind around. Put clothes on him. I can't now, actually. Well, actually, I think I can't, but Johannes could probably, because I don't know where I could do that.
Oh. What do you want to do?
Oh,
what did you want to do?
Somebody asked if I can put on clothes. So I think you saw enough of the new character. So I think in general it looks a lot better. It looks a lot more natural. The texturing is better. And he also blinks with his eyes and stuff. There's more detail. We have new backend programming. So concluded, it will be a huge improvement. And also, yeah, you will have a lot of hairstyles and beard styles, and you can even change eye colors and stuff. And remember, I mean, it will even look more awesome if there's like a nice outfit on him and some hair and some beard and different skin tone maybe. Okay, so Wicked character. I can't walk around with it, but I can show you here. Look, Wicked animations. I can actually show you this one, for example. We didn't import all the others, but there's more already. Now it's showing the start screen. But this one is the Wicked, and yeah, it's kind of the bad guys for the ones that don't know. But you can see that from his style. Cotton picker skin tone. How can you? How can you say something like that? Plans for idle animations. Good question. Yeah, we have a lot of ideas for them, but we would rather prefer to, we could also do it ourselves, but we would rather like implement the ideas that you have, or both. But it will be a topic later, because it's like a minor detail. So we will do 2 idle animations up to now, and then we'll add more and fancy ones later. But there will be really fancy idle animations. You can be sure of that. So will there be climbable ladders? Stay in my mouth. Yeah, they will. Look at this. So you can't as of now, but I already placed them, and you will be able to climb them. Yes. So you can otherwise. With the tank, you could jump up here with a rocket jumping, and you could go on the church, but the other classes will have to use ladders, or they will have to use grenades and place them on the ground and, jump up here. And also, we'll place more of those little boxes and, stuff to make it, like, more fun to walk around and hide more and stuff. I actually noticed I'm so like nervous with the camera. Last time Johannes told me I should stop that because it's annoying when I'm shaking with the camera so much and clicking around. So we'll not do that anymore. So next thing, performance. Right. So I can show you. It's actually pretty interesting, maybe even for you guys. So this is
the stream just died for me.
For me, didn't.
Oh,
guys,
never mind.
am I still online? Okay, so basically for the next patch, so in the current version that I'm having open here in the bottom, the performance is still better than Woodpecker's Valley already, but it will be even better with this system that we're using. It's called HLOD, and what it will do is you see each mesh here in the scene, and it's like each mesh is a single mesh and has a single draw call. And what we will do is we will, on the distance, we'll bundle those meshes together. So now you see each level is on the same distance and on the same level, has the same color coding. And what I can do is I can now enable it here in the world settings. I tried around with it a bit already, so it's going to be in the next patch. Just quickly HLOD enable it, and then what I can do is I can generate clusters, and it takes a little while. Just going to let it load and look on Twitch. Oh, somebody asked about the Twitch stream. I'm going to record it, and it's also going to be on Twitch, I think, but I'm also going to record it and upload it. We're going to upload it on YouTube. So, yeah. So what it's doing right now, to explain it a little bit, I don't know if you guys are interested, but I thought it would be a nice idea to give you a little sneak peek into how it works, is that it clusters different areas of this map together to a zone, and all those, then I can preview those zones. So it's going to be like 20 meshes in that zone. It's going to bundle them together, and then you can build a new mesh from it. And then if you go far away in the distance, like the actual meshes, like the actual assets and the 3D models will be replaced with that one large mesh, which has really reduced quality on the distance, and also has only one draw call because it's not 20 meshes inside, but one, you know, so which is basically improving performance a lot, because somebody asked before. Is there anything you guys would like to see? I think if I showed this and maybe one or two more things, I think we're good to go, and we'll just end the stream for today. Clothing, okay. You would like to see the download link? Okay, well, I mean, yeah, that's a good answer, and you're going to get it. 50%. Normally it doesn't take so long. I think it's because of streaming. You want to? Oh, actually, I can show you Munchie if you want. He has a 3D model already, so awkward. Yeah, I'm sorry for the loading. I can make some nice queue music, you know, like waiting queue. Wait, I mean, actually, let me really do that. Today I found this Twitch music library, which is royalty-free music. I can play it on the stream. Wait, is Chris there? Oh, Chris is here. Hello.
Hi. Hi.
Hi.
Hi. Hi. Hi. Hi.
Hello, Chris.
So, hello.
I forgot to mention Chris wasn't here, so now he's here, and I
yeah,
think you know Chris. I guess you know Chris. I don't know, but otherwise you can introduce yourself.
Hello, my name is Chris, and Chris. Yeah, I'm also a developer on on the Raw Vengeance Games teams. Yeah, exactly, team.
I should turn you a bit down on the volume, but I think only Chris can do it, because otherwise I would also make Maka's voice lower. So maybe you can do that, Chris.
Wait, I will try.
But yeah, Chris is Chris, and he's called Chris, and he's Chris years old, so that's Chris. What is Raw Vengeance, Kappa? Pure vengeance. Oh, I agree, Merle. I can do that. Yeah. Didn't think about that.
Is it better?
Does it? Oh, no, it's better, I think, yeah. Maybe even a bit too. Wait, I'm going to turn you up now. Wait. User volume. Okay. Test.
Hey. Hi.
Hi, okay. I think it's better now.
I really hope so. Alright, cool.
Okay. So you guys see it's still building the clusters. 97. Oh my god, hype. 98.
So what is this thing in the background? Like on your Windows bar, I can see. Are you in game, like in running a line?
So what we did is I just couldn't tell Chris because he wasn't here. So we played a few rounds, like not a few rounds, but we played around here a bit, and yeah, we showed everything in the actual game.
All right,
you can
nice.
join if you want.
The character thing on the left is already implemented. Cool.
Yeah, pretty nice, huh?
Well, he looks down like to the bottom, but
well, we have to replace the camera, but still it works. So
still in progress.
So what you can see here is that you have now all those assets that were clustered are turning green, so they're all in one LOD level and all one LOD level. And what I can do is I can build them now. So this is the selection, like the pre-selection that the engine did for me, and I can build them. This would take like a huge while. But what it will do then is I can show you here. This could be like an Unreal tutorial. Okay, so I can select those, and those are grouped in that LOD actor 7, and I can actually, you know, see them. This is the selection that the engine did for me, and I can now group them together on a distance, and that will improve performance if I do that for the whole map a lot for you guys, and you will definitely notice that. So I think people want to see cloth. Do you guys want to? I can maybe show you if you need things in the engine. I can show you the game unlit, which looks really ugly. I can show you the game in wireframe, which looks unorganized, and lighting only, which looks really pretty, but has no textures.
So, by the way,
You want to see
guys,
Munchie,
one
okay.
thing. Like, would you be interested to, like, I don't know if we can do this, but like, we thought about, it could be an option to stream our QA tests. So, I mean, not the really first one. So, if things are looking,
So QA is,
I don't know.
just for the ones that don't know, it's quality assurance. So yeah.
So yeah, this would like be one guy streams and we are playing 8 versus 8 on a new map, and could be this map or it could be another map, but yeah, you have to see that like if it's a newer one, it could be just a rough blackout, so it's not that beautiful like this map. So but we would test the map, we would test some new things, like I don't know, let's say the effects and maybe some things for the talents of the sniper and the thief, some new updated things there and stuff like this. So I think it could be interesting. So I don't know what you guys think about this.
Yeah,
They
people
use,
should just do it. So people are not like complaining, so I think we can do it.
Yeah. All right.
Other than that, oh right, the Munchie. You want to see the Munchie? I think it's imported. Let me check. Should be on resident and wearable. I don't know if its name is Munchie, but no, it's not. Okay. Oh, it's probably in player old, but it will be in player new. Shoulder pad, Munchie. You see this? Oops, it's really small. Should resize it. Wait, but you can see it here. Look, oops, still really small. Look, it's Munchie. Sweet, huh? So yeah, what you can see is it's going to be animated, so it's still in that kind of animation pose. That's why it looks kind of so stiff, you know. But it allows us to make it, you know, any position that could be cool, and to make it animations, of course. And you see it as like
dab animation.
Dab animation, sure. Like on the shoulder, it sits on your shoulder, and you know.
Yeah.
It will dance and stuff, and it will hit you and stuff. Sure, and bite you. And arrest you because it's a police Munchie. But yeah, I think I showed it long enough. Look the whatever it's called. Okay. But yeah, we have to rescale it.
That's for sure.
Oh, you can. Clevy says he seems gay. Okay.
Can animals be gay? I don't know.
I don't know.
Is that possible?
Never looked into that. Maybe. I don't know. Look, it's Sir Fluffington.
And he's also really small.
Yeah, he's pretty
Now
small.
he's bigger.
Yeah, I resized it. But you can see he's also pretty stiff because it's going to be animated. Yeah. But you can see the detail, and he has eyebrows, those huge oops, I could even paint him now, but I don't want that. So, you see that monocle here, and really well hand painted. Can you see those exclusive clothing items? Which ones do you mean, Mo? Do you mean, wait, let me check. Pullover stuff? Can check. So, wearable. Here, by the way, these are all the beards, and with all the hairs here, and wait, skin textures. But now, the items. You want to see the heavy torso? Look, all the pullovers here. So you can see. I'll just drag all of them in here. Maybe some. Look, so many pullovers. It's so many. And also like that. How's it called actually? I don't know. I think I still have the music running, which I enabled when I was building the clusters.
I think
Yeah.
exclusive one could be like the pink one with, I don't know what is on it, like a duck or something like this.
I think in the Kickstarter one is yeah, that could be exclusive, but also I think this one is the one from Kickstarter, and then we have another green one somewhere here. I don't know if I can find it yet. Oh no, I think it's Wicked one, the green one. What else? Oh yeah, the outfit that we had for the Resident in Wicked, the other like this one. It's also kind of exclusive. And I can also show you kinda. I can also show you the pants and stuff. So this is the pants that is, you know, fitting on that one, but you can also combine it the way we want. Then with those worker pants here, in different colors. We have jeans. Look, those really nice jeans.
Paul?
Yeah.
Johannes just told me that if you want to show the end screen, you might want to go back into the game.
Oh yeah, we can do that. Yeah, sure. But before, I think people wanted to see the clothing stuff, and then we can do that. So, the end screen, there was a lot. Basically, it's all new, so you can. I'll just show you later. It has all sorts of stuff. You can see special moments and like stuff like who killed the most people and who's like, you know, killed the most, who killed the second most and third most. You can see your stats, you can see your rank and your ELO and stuff. Jeans are looking dope, yeah, same opinion. I think I will wear those. And yeah, so for the hut, you have already seen the reworked hut in the game, but then also, as I showed previously, we have a new start screen. This one. So on the right side you see the game mode. And then in the middle the timer. And of course on the top you will see the map, and you will be welcomed to the map. So then I think we should go. Do you want to see anything in the engine still? I think we should clothing items, the HLD stuff, and the character. Maybe some more Wicked, and then we can jump over to the end screen, play one more round in the actual game, and then finish the stream.
That's
headwear.
a good plan.
Yeah, it's a good plan.
That's a good plan. True.
Okay, so face cover, there's not much, but it's also sort of not imported, so we have the tank outfit that you saw as well. And then on the... wait, where is it? Headgear. Look, we have bunny ears in different colors, and of course the hat that suits the item, like the outfit here. Now there's a discussion whether hamsters have tails. I'm looking at that now. Wait. Okay, so well, those are all the items, and yeah, I think we jump into the game back. Oops. It's kind of lagging. I don't know why, but maybe because... No, actually, I don't know why it's lagging, but... how can I show the end screen, Johannes? Oh no, it's smooth. Are people still looking? It's a cartoon game, not a realistic game by Nielsen, right? Oh yeah, somebody asked about rocket jumping abstract. Alex, do you want to show that? Look. And he has adrenaline on, so he's going to be faster. And again, there he goes. Maka, did Johannes answer about the end screen, how we can show that?
Well, it's at 2, right?
Oh yeah, I just saw that.
If you look at the top.
So then somebody kill me and somebody kill... Oh, you did that on purpose, cool. Didn't know that. Did you do it per command line, or did you do it?
I think they just got to that point.
Okay. So, somebody wants to kill me?
You can just suicide, is what Johannes told me.
Will it... Oh, true. But 2 times. I need to suicide 2 times. Okay, so oh, the explosion effects. Yeah, I don't like it either. I did it, but I don't like it. Oh yeah. Okay, I'll redo it. So here's the end screen, and you can see. Oops. No, it's going to restart now. Damn. No. But you saw it, right?
Oh,
Why did it restart so
GG.
quickly? Now we have to play all those 75 tickets down again. And now there's that
Massive
and to
suicides.
respawn and
Go,
chat
go.
to respawn manually. Wait, let me just quickly do that. Whatever, it just doesn't go away. Respawn.
/kill UI to fix that.
Okay. Yeah, well, that works well. Do I have to... No, it's the right one. No, it doesn't work.
Well, then Johannes is lying to me.
Or it just doesn't work on my PC. But yeah, well, okay, let's jump back to the end screen again. The end screen, what you could see is that you will be shown your stats of the round, so all the leaderboard. Then you will have like an indicator whether you won or you lost, and having like a golden frame around the leaderboard. And what you will also have is like in the bottom you have like a slider where you can slide between, I think, one is the leaderboard and one is the special moments, right? So you can see those stuff like who has the most kills in the air, or who has the most kills, or who did the longest kill streak, and all that sort of stuff is going to be collected and also saved on your profile. So now you've basically seen all the stuff that we wanted to show. Yeah. So all the hard stuff, new characters again, new map, the actual version here playing. So now the whole HUD is kind of reworked. So we have the actual in-game HUD is reworked, the start screen is reworked, the end screen is reworked. Let's see, we will see if we also do that for the options, but I think not for now. Would be kind of a waste because it works. So. What happens when you step on the water? I sink in, because there's no swimming animations now, so hey. And look, there's even that black spot on the water here. Which is not realistic. No, the water's destroying itself. Yeah, the character is so weird walking. Yes, it's the old characters, as I mentioned. And we're going to improve stuff like, which also focus, like when you heal somebody, that he has that effect, you know, that it kind of shows that he has been healed. And we're going to do that for revive too. It's going to be more feedback for the player, so that he knows what's going on. Like, have I been healed? And then also in the bottom left, you see like, you know, how much you have been healed. Like a plus number, and then plus 30 or plus 40. Wait, let me just quickly look at the Twitch chat again. Will get cleaned. Yeah, they will get cleaned. As I said, new characters. Didn't know that. Just little boat on this map. Yeah. Well, actually, I thought about adding a boat, but like not a drivable boat. So just like, you know, maybe some nice physics to jump on it and you can destroy the boat or something, but you can't really drive with it. So before we end the stream, because my screen is now bugged anyways, do you want to see anything else, or otherwise I would say we're good to go to end the stream now. Maybe I can show you the nice fruits here. There's going to be leeks, and there's going to be bananas, or there are bananas, and there are mangoes and lemons, and there's going to be more, like there's going to be fish and meat. Parachute! You want to see the parachute? Wait. Also, one thing that you don't see that we've changed is the spawn zones. So Johannes did it now in a different way, so that we can place, it's not randomly selected, so we can place the spawn zones now. So each flag has, I think, 8 spawn zones that you can place around it, and I think one I placed here, and then the rest over the marketplace somewhere here, so that it's like a reasonable, you know, different.
Because of the thing that people were spawning sometimes in some objects, because
Right,
like there were
exactly.
too many people spawning there and there. Okay, okay, nice.
And also, it's good for the tactics, so you can kind of place the spawn points where you want it to be tactically correct.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah.
And what did I want to show? I forgot again.
The parachute.
Oh yeah, parachute. And also, you see, like when I said rework the HUD, also the scoreboard is also new. It's going to be really smooth. You can open it and you can run while you do that, and you can even see the ELO and KDR later. Yeah, so you can see it live basically, your ELO and the KD ratio. So I'm going to jump down and show you the parachute now. Uh-oh, leaks? What was leaked? Look. Nice, huh? But the parachute obviously is, you know, adjusted to the new character, so that's why it doesn't, you know, fit the old character perfectly, because it's a little bit larger. But it will fit the new one perfectly. Will it be transparent, the parachute? No, but I thought about doing that when you get close to it, that you can see through it, you know, like this, and you can. But yeah, I still have to implement that. But I think it would be a good, yeah, probably would be good, so you don't get, you know, view blocking. Can you jump with explosions like with a bazooka? Yes, you can throw a grenade. I'll just show it to you, and then what it will do is, yeah, going to throw you up, throw you up. Yeah, so you can do the same with the mini bomb that's going to be implemented for the other classes and stuff. So with each explosive you can basically use the physics to jump up or jump anywhere you want. I have a test next weekend. Yeah, well, as I said, I don't want to mention like a specific time frame, but as you see, you can play, you can do anything. I'll just repeat it one more time. So that we're going to fix those things that we want to fix, and then we're going to push it. Oh yeah, and Mo just typed in the link. Yeah, join our Discord if you haven't already. It's a great experience, really. No, serious. What is a nice feature? At Vaporu. Oh yeah, rocket jump. Do we still have somebody asked in the chat right here in the game, do we still have medicinal herb? Yes, we have, but I think I don't have it equipped because I have to choose between the talents. We have more talents than talent slots, which makes sense because otherwise it gets too complicated. So, oops. But yeah, it's still there. And it heals you. What it does, just for your information, medicinal herb kind of heals you over time, so it gives you 10 life, and again 10, and again 10, and again 10. And what medic does is it gives you, you know, a certain healing on one spot, like on one time. It's so funny that I still have that you killed yourself screen here. Woo! No, I did. Bullet animation. What do you mean by that? Do you mean the shooting animation, or do you mean the bullet that's flying, that you can see it, or like a visual effect to see that the bullet is flying?
What you can also show is the spawn screen to select on which flag you want to spawn.
Oh yeah, good. How do I do that? I mean, I can't. Wait, when I instant respawn, maybe if I disable that.
Yeah, it's
yeah, you have to disable the instant respawn.
Right. So the functionality is already there, but the image is not really the prettiest. I have to figure out how to, you know, enable shadows and stuff. But so how it works is you can select a, like, you know, can select a spawn point. So I'm going to select where do we want to spawn? You decide, guys. Do we spawn at view? Do we spawn at outpost? Or do we spawn at market? Outpost. Alex says outpost. What do the other guys say? Outpost.
Water.
Outpost FTV. FTW. I mean. Okay, outpost. We spawn here. Bloop. Outpost. So you know, the outpost. So you can look here in the water and look out. Plop.
Would be kind
Oh,
of
yeah.
funny if you selected outpost and then you spawn in the wicked bay.
Oh,
works,
hello.
guys. It works really good.
That works really well. Let's try again. Maybe if I select resident base, it spawns me in the wicked base. So, but yeah, I think it's a pretty cool feature. So when there's, you know, unbalance, you can choose your spawn point, and instead of being just spawned randomly. And also you can of course disable it if you don't want this screen. So if you directly want to be respawned, you can just enable the instant respawn. Going to spawn at the base now. Plop.
But I assume that you can't spawn in the wicked base, right?
No, I can't. Like only
Yeah.
in the capped flags that are from my team and on my base.
Yeah, makes sense. Would be
Like,
kind
hey
of
guys,
weird,
here I am.
like
Yeah.
your tactic, you like
You
bring
just
some in the
spawn in
clan
the
where
base.
everyone like suicides and then spawns in the base of the enemy. GG.
But yeah, I think it was really fun to make this stream again and again, and next stream will be also fun, I guess. So
Yeah. Not more asked, in competitive mode it will be disabled, right? So that's something we need to test, of course, but I think, well, it's hard to
Oops,
say because
the wall here.
I don't know if it's a tactical thing to add that people can choose where they want to spawn. I think that could be good, because if you say, okay, we go for this flag now, then like, and you don't have this feature, then you can't say, I don't know, I spawn there and I don't know, with bad luck you spawn somewhere where you don't want to spawn. So it could be, I don't know, could be good to have this feature, but of course we will test this, and also we'll make sure that, yeah, you guys, all the players, test it and see, and then we will see, like, if the feedback is negative for the feature that you can select where you spawn in competitive mode, then we of course will see that we yeah, disable
But also
it.
in general, it's just important to us that if you can customize your experience. So basically in the options you can change anything. Now it's a little bit bugged, but so you can basically disable anything you want here in the HUD as well, and same goes for spawn system probably then. So we allow you to make your preferences there.
Well, I don't
Will be
know.
able to shoot
I have to.
parachutes, so the direction of the falling will be weird. Or oh, that's a really cool idea. I didn't think about that. Yeah, we can think about that definitely. Would be a cool element.
Oh,
Hmm?
hello. I have to go now.
Hello? Oh, you gotta leave.
So
Okay.
yeah, like
Okay, so
I had
Chris
to
has
leave already like 10 minutes before. Yeah. So, but I was like, you were like, okay, I'm going to end the stream now, and I was okay.
Okay,
I
yeah.
will stay.
But
All
now
right. Okay.
it's been a while, another while. Yeah. Okay then. Bye, Chris. But it was nice that you sneaked in and peeked in. And
Yeah. Have a nice. I don't know. Like, I think most of you guys are probably from Europe, so have a nice night or evening.
And if you're from America or from somewhere else, maybe have a nice morning.
Good morning. Good.
Good morning.
Good evening. Good. I don't know. All right, guys.
Okay.
See ya.
Well,
Bye, Chris.
bye-bye.
Bye.
See you later, alligator.
Yeah. See you later, man.
But yeah, I'm you know, currently I'm not really showing stuff. I know it's just I'm just walking around a bit, and you can watch if you like. At some point I will just end the stream. Just like bye bye. No, okay. Well, let me just start fighting. I mean, wow. Damn. Well, oh my god, my aim is really rusty. But it's also the sensitivity is not good. He just freezed me. I'm frozen. Like the movie Frozen. Oh fuck my aim. Just cover it with my strafe. I'm so embarrassed by my aim, it's so bad. But I'm going to adjust my settings now. You know, low DPI player. Yeah, it's a real official Maka.
Fake.
Maka the real.
I don't
Wait, let me
believe it.
just I don't know if I can stand on this one. Oh yeah, wait. Then let's see if I can jump up there. No. Who? Who shot me? Okay, I'll just use the pistol now. Oh, and I'm done. Oh, fucking lantern. Oh no. Whew. Why isn't it? Oh, no, it's hitting. Well, I think I should stop developing so much and maybe play a bit to improve my aim again.
Mm-hmm.
PUBG makes weird things for your aim. Yeah, that's the reason. But to be honest, yeah, PUBG it's like, I don't know, it's different to aim in PUBG somehow. Look at my old videos to see my actual aim. Promotion. Rip aim. Maybe you can just enable. Oh, wait. Did I just see that? Did you just see that icon popping up? Oh, it works. It just doesn't work for some. Maybe it's disabled for some icons. But do you, now look closely. I'm going to activate the number 8 here. It looks like that sounds like on a menu when you order something. I'm going to activate the number 8. So I'm going to activate it. Look at what happens if I activate it. Has that little, you see that kind of popping up effect? So that's new as well. Oh yeah, the servers. This is one is not the actual kind of shipping server. I feel like I should say something, but I've talked so much already. Maka, do you want to say something?
No, thank you.
Okay. Okay.
I don't think there's much more to say, is there?
Yeah, as I said, I'm just going to walk around a bit and shoot a bit. I think we're only 3 people here anyways, so. But it's great that you all have tuned in and watched, and I'm hoping to see you next time again. So, to conclude, what have we shown today? The new characters, the map, the game, the bake game, and multiplayer experience here. UI. Optimization stuff. The clothing items, and Munchie, of course. Sir Fluffington. Maybe some just tuned in now, so I can just do a quick follow-up. Can I wait? Let me push him in the water. It doesn't work. Damn. Oh wait. Maybe with a grenade. Damn. That was. I said my aim is shit. No. I think this won't work. yeah, it's going to work. But he's not flying. Also, what we've implemented is that if you go with the camera close to an object, you see, it's not going through the object, but it's more going, yeah, like adjusting according to it. Can you make a little diode when you hit enemy, but in a place where bullets hit the hitboxes? So you mean, so you mean that you kind of you shoot somewhere like in CS:GO, that you have that little red dot or green dot when you hit somewhere on the enemy? Oh look, my aim is coming back, but he's not just walking straight. I'm too slow. Okay, it's not back. No, sniper won't be playable. Look, I can choose now again, the outpost. Okay, cool. So to wrap it up, yeah, we've shown the engine, we've shown the game, and the alpha weekend. We'll try to make it as soon as possible. But you see, the version is playable. We can, you know, join the game and play and stuff, and on the new map. So that was important to us that we show you that. And yeah, so also sorry again for the last stream. I don't know, my audio driver just completely crashed, and then I had to reinstall it and stuff. So then Discord crashed each time I wanted to access the audio driver, and then, well, that kind of fucked up. So I would say we end the stream here, but it was really nice to stream with you guys, and looking forward to the next one. Probably it's going to be really soon, because we're going to stream more now. QA streams, the map building streams, the Friday news post stream, like this one, like actually the last one, but which we moved to today. So yeah, look out for the other streams, and was again great. Maybe Maka wants to say a word before we end.
Thank you for tuning in and watching. And yeah.
Okie dokie. Then see you later, guys, and see you in the next stream. See you before. See you on Discord. Join Discord, and bye bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.